As always, 100% cotton t-shirt that's been soaked in soda ash for at least 20 minutes and then spun until it's just damp in the washing machine. And it's going to be ice dyed, and so need to go ahead and flip it inside out. This one's going to be folded a few times, so let's go ahead and mark the center point of the collar. And mark the center point at the bottom. There it is. Go ahead and flip these inside each other. Flip this over. Pull these back. And make sure this is pretty smooth before you continue folding. Alright, so once that's done, go ahead and hold that up. Let's try that again. Put my hand under there to make sure it doesn't wrinkle too bad. Alright. I'm going to fold this back on itself. Flip this over. Fold that. Fold it back again. I'm trying to keep this leading edge here straight. It can be a bit challenging with a bunch of layers. Right. And I'm trying to decide if I can do one more. Probably not. I can go this direction though. Alright. And one more. Alright. So it looks like that on one side, and you have all the layers on that side. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and take a ruler. Let's see if I can line that up and keep that on there without having to fold it on itself. It's pretty close. Alright, so that's finished. And cut that off. Alright, so the side I'm going to dye from is the side that has all the plates. And this is going to be a single color dye. So we'll see how this works. I haven't tried this before. So off to dye. Alright, as I said, it's a single color dye, and let's try not to do that. I'm just using cerulean blue, or that's the idea. And the hemostats are just here to keep the cardboard from bulging out because it wasn't playing nice. So let's go ahead and apply the dye. Alright, for this one I'm going to add extra soda ash. And it's because I might actually do a second pass with the water because I'm not dyeing the back side. Pretty sure. So I'm sprinkling a little soda ash on it. And then I'll apply the ice. So I'll just let that sit until it melts through, probably a total of 24 hours from this point, because that should give it 2 to 3 hours to melt and the rest of the time to sit and batch. And that should be it. But I guess we'll see how the video goes from here. If you see me doing something other than a washout, you know I changed my mind again. So let's see what happens. It's been 24 hours, so time for the washout. So I'll throw this in the washing machine and we'll take a look.